2016 SLK-Class. You might say it all started on the finish line. We won't be telling those still at the start line. Choose the Mercedes SLK-Class and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: convertible hardtop, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather shift knob, leather-wrapped steering wheel, overhead console. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.